Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shameen and on this channel I do everything nails and nails related. In today's video I will be doing an unboxing and review of some gel polishes again sent to me from Rosalind Beauty. This package here is 2.9 pounds. So we have 2.9 pounds worth of gel polish. So I think we should just go ahead and get it under the camera as quickly as possible because it's kind of heavy for my hand, right? Alright. Okay, so we have this nice big package under the camera finally, and we're just going to get right into it. We're going to use the scissors to open it up and reveal the package underneath this brown paper. So this kit is a 48 piece gel polish set from Rosalind Beauty, and this is a big box. It consists of mini gel polishes that are about 5 ml each. So it's really like some sample size bottles that we'll be working with today. So now let's get into it. What you have here is like this plastic that the box is wrapped in. So we need to get that off and then we're going to rip up the plastic. So wait for the ASMR. Okay, that was oddly satisfying. I really like to do that ASMR vibe thing, especially when I have packages to unbox. So now that we have the plastic off, I'm just checking out the box here. It's well packaged and we're going to figure out how to open this up. And basically all you're going to do is pull the tab at the bottom of the box. I don't know what I was doing here, thinking the box was going to open from the side, but eventually I figured out that all you had to do is just lift the tab at the bottom of the box and the entire set will open. So upon opening it, you have the usual card you get from Rosalind explaining what UV gel is, and it also on the inside, well, on the back side you have the question and answer, and on the inside it tells you how to apply gel polish, how to prep your nails to apply properly, and also how to remove it, and then some ideas for DIY nail art. So these are how all the colors look. It consists of 45 mini gel polishes, and the other 3 to make it up are a top coat, a base coat, and a matte top coat. So I really like this here because the colors are so pretty and there's a nice wide range of colors, sample sizes, so you could get at least 2 or 3 uses out of each of these colors. So I removed the base coat, the top coat, and the matte top coat, and we're just going to lay out all of these polishes so that we could swatch them. It's 45 polishes, so I'm going to speed it up a bit for you. If you like videos like this, feel free to subscribe to this channel so you can keep up with my nail videos. And yeah, you could leave a comment if you like about what nail videos you would also like to see next. So these are all 45 of the colors of the mini gel polishes laid out. And here what, I'm going to cut the video here so I can say something about the packaging. Okay, I'm just going to pause here to say that this was packaged so nicely with the styrofoam and everything, and no spillage at all. So this is very impressive. Okay, back to our regular scheduled program for today. So it's time to swatch these gel polishes, and I will not be using swatch sticks to swatch the polishes. I'm using a piece of stock card paper, and I'm going to swatch them here by using a simple drop of the gel polish on the cardstock, and I'm putting it to cure. The polishes are 5 ml, so we didn't want to waste a lot of the polish swatching it. So this is the method I'm using, and after that off camera I will go over them with a top coat. But this is just for you to see all the shades of all 45 of the polishes that came in this kit. This kit included shades of blue, purple. I like the nude colors as well that came with it, and some of the blue colors are colors that, or well, shades of blue that I don't have at all, so I'm happy to be able to try out those colors as well. This green is a color I have, but this green here, this bright green, is a color I didn't have at all before, so I think I will be incorporating that in today's video. Now, to be quite honest, I wanted to use some other colors, as you would see after I finished the swatching, but ultimately that green stood out to me, so I decided to go with that instead. And of course, I'm just swatching the last row. No nail polish gel kit is complete without shades of pink, Yes, like 1, 2, 3 press pink, you know. So yeah, these are the colors I was planning to use, and then ultimately I decided against it because, as I said, that green was popping out to me. So we're going to be doing press on nails today, and this is just extra long square. I'm really loving this square shape these days. And to do this set, I'll be using the base coat, the shiny top coat, and the matte top coat. I'll be using the green. It's called C383, and also this using the color C117 as a base color. All right, so let's get started. I am going to apply some base coat to the nails, and base coat just helps you with applying the gel polish. It makes the gel polish go on more smooth, nice and easy, but it tends to work better when the base color or the base coat and the gel polish color is from the same brand. It just works. Now, base coat is something that is optional. You don't have to use it. You could just use your primer and then go straight and use your gel polish color, but the base coat just helps in the application and strengthening too if you want an extra layer of gel. Of course, I'm talking here about base coat on press or nails, because if you were to do a manicure on yourself, you definitely have to use base coat after you prep your nails with your primer and your dehydrate and all that good stuff. So for press on nails, base coat is not really necessary, but is an addition, or it just works, it just helps, it supports. It's the best way I could put it. So as you can see, we went in with that green color, and obviously it needs more coats. So that was just after one coat, and now we're doing the nudish color C117. Rosalind gel polishes, they don't come with names, so they just come with numbers, and that's how we're able to identify them. So I'm just doing one layer of this, and then I'm putting it in the UV lamp to cure for about 30 seconds. And now we're going over the green with another coat because we want to get full coverage on all of those green nails. So all in all, I ended up doing about 3 coats of each color on the nails. So 3 coats of green and 3 coats of the nude color. I put it to cure for 30 seconds, and then we're going to do our design for today. Okay, so let's get into our design. I'm putting some of the green polish on my mixing plate, and then I'm making a random, just a random line on the nail. It's not a French tip. It's just across the nail, some kind of abstract art thing. We're just going to put it like that and put it to cure, and we're going to do it for the next nail. So just a random design, and I'm just going to use the my liner brush to outline the shape to give it a little definition, and we're going to fill it in with some more green polish. As I say, we want full coverage, so we're going to apply a couple more coats to this. So the look I'm going for today is this textured look again. I don't know, I'm really into the textured look these days. I did some textured nails for a client recently. Here's the photo. And you know, since then I've actually been feeling the vibes. But instead of using acrylic powder to create a textured look, I'm going to be using top coat to do it today. So it'll be nice and shiny. So we're doing about 3 coats here. We put it to cure. And now we're going to be using first some matte top coat, and we're going to put this over the entire nail. So this is part of the effect. We're going to have a matte top coat finish, and then we're going to be using the clear top coat to create the textured effect on the green part of the nails. So we're applying the matte top coat to the entire nail, and then we're going to put it to cure in the UV lamp. The UV lamp for about 60 seconds. So this is how it looked after it came out. It's nice and matte. And now the next step is we're going to first remove that green polish there. I ought to remove the green polish. I hope I did. Yes, we're wiping that off, right? And we're just replacing it here with some of the top coat that we got in the kit. And we're going to be taking this dotting tool, and we're going to be creating that textured effect. So that we just call it like a bright green croc print. So yeah, we're just making little globs of the top coat there on the nail, and sometimes the top coat tends to be runny, so before it runs into the other globs, I'm going to put it to cure, and I'm going to start on the next nail, and I will just alternate them accordingly. So the video is slightly sped up here, but you kind of get the point in terms of creating the textured effect with the top coat. So we'll be doing this for 2 of the nails, so that'll be 2 of our accent nails, and then the other 3 nails we're going to do something else too. These are how the nails look after doing our textured croc print with top coat. So we're going to set those nails aside. Okay, we're going to put it back on the nail stand apparently. I thought I was setting them aside, but we put them back on the nail stand. And now we're going to do something with those other green nails because we need to make this set come together. Right now it's not giving anything. So what are we going to do? Something simple, because this green color by itself alone, it makes a statement. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put some nail charms and some rhinestones on it, and we will bring it all together. Alright, so this one is pretty simple. You could kind of like watch me work. I'm just using the rhinestone glue gel, apply it to the nail. I'm going to put the charms there in place, and I will apply the nail glue as necessary. I will spread it out, and then I'll put it to cure in the UV lamp for about 1 minute, and then I'll repeat it for the other nails. So first use this big charm, and then I'm complementing it with some smaller charms in green to kind of match the nail as well. So I just want to say thanks again to Rosalind Beauty for sending this gel polish kit to me. 48 pieces, 45 mini gel polish colors, and then we have the base coat, the shiny top coat, and the matte top coat, all included in one set. You can find this set on Amazon.com. I will leave the link below in the description box so that you could find this set and you can get it for yourself. It works especially if you're now starting to do nails. It gives you a wide variety of colors at a decent price. Alright, so yeah, you can definitely check that out. And of course, if you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can keep up with my nail videos. And now here we have it. This is the set right here right now, and all that's left to do is apply some top coat for that sleek shiny finish. So we're going to be applying top coat to all of these nails, and then we're going to see how it looks all together. Okay, so now the top coat is done, and these are how the nails look all together. I did the other hand off camera. Actually, I did the other hand so I could film short form content for TikTok and Instagram Reels. But yeah, this set came together really nicely. This green color is a color I don't typically use, so I love the bright green. And keeping the design simple really helped to focus on the green color and make that the star of the show. So yeah, at this point in time, I was just taking some pictures and really admiring the set. And then of course, you know, I'm going to go outside to get my pictures in the sunlight. But yeah, a close-up look at this set here, and oh my goodness, my camera is not focusing as per usual. Oh, I need a new camera. Oh gosh. Woo! Focus, focus. All right, good. These are how the nails look on the outside, and to me it was almost too bright for the sun. This bright green is really nice. I like it. So yeah, don't forget, keep up with my nail videos. Again, Rosalind Beauty gel polishes for the win here. Look at how that's shining in the sunlight now. This is simple but effective at the same time. Anywho's, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.